Parent University is an opportunity to parents to be in an intimate setting, to speak to experts about areas in academics in both reading, writing, and math to better support their students at home and better support the teachers to help their kids to grow academically.
So Parent University, I think, is a really wonderful tool just because you'll often see teachers send materials home and the kids kind of just look at it, or if they don't have the proper support from at home, they're not able to complete the task. But educating the parents of the exact strategies we do in the classroom and giving them concrete model, that you eliminate that problem. And I believe the parents will be more involved, and essentially the kids will continue to grow.
It's just an opportunity for parents to come in and speak with teachers and just to get some real life information on how best to help their kids in their setting. And so, for example, some of the things that we asked families to do was to engage in situations with their kids. Take your kids to the supermarket, have them see what the value of money is, right? Ask them what it is that they want and tell them that this is how much they have, and asking them, do they have enough? And just giving those real life applications allows kids to build experiences, which in turn helps them to really internalize and process the questions that they're often asked in math, and placing themselves in those situations and just making it real for them. So